Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. My name is Angui. On this channel we do amazing product review of products that we have used, our customers have used, and they are tests that they are really nice products. Those are the kind of products we review on this channel. In today's video, I want to review to you the spa milk salt. Spa milk salt. This is spa milk salt. It comes in so many different colors. It comes in aloe vera, it comes in milk, it comes in cucumber, it comes in the pink, like it comes in so many different designs. So after you have wet your skin, you have to apply proper amount onto your body. You rub with a towel or you gently massage it into your skin, and then after that you rinse it with enough water. It makes your skin to appear very smooth and clean. And then what it does is that it helps to remove wrinkles from your skin, it helps to remove dead cells from your skin, and because of the milk present, it has to make your skin to look very soft. You know, sometimes your skin doesn't really look soft, but you want to be ajebo. Yeah, so this is a secret. And it also helps to disinfect your water. In case you bathe with water, you always feel that your body is itchy and all that, so it also helps you to bathe with it, and then it helps to disinfect your water. It also helps in case you have heat rashes on your body, eczema or ringworm. Constant using this product is going to eliminate you all those heat rashes, eczema and ringworm on your skin. And what you do is that make sure you scrub it and you massage it in the rightful area. So that's basically what this salt does to your body. It helps to also whiten your skin, smoothen your skin, and enrich your skin. It contains sodium chloride, it contains glycerin, it contains vitamin E, it contains the milk and the fragrance. This is what this salt is made of. Now, you don't use it every single day. Use it 2 or 3 times in a week. You don't use it every single day. 2 or 3 times in a week if you're scrubbing your skin. But if you disinfect your water, you can make sure you use it every single day in small quantity. So that's how I use this product. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Share this product and like the video, and I'll see you in our next video.